Here is the other corner. Damn, this goes all the way the length of the damn door.
Hi friends, welcome back to the shop for another Clara update. So, where are we with this project? Well, you see these doors. These actually came off of Clara and we took them over to our special metal guy and he's cleaned them all up. Now they look good, right? Right?
From afar. From afar.
There's some serious structural flaws in these doors, and we actually worked with Golden Rule and figured out that it would be cheaper to buy all new doors than try to repair these.
A little bit more on the story is while Clara is waiting to get the body in to the bath at American Metal Cleaning, they actually had availability to take the smaller parts in. So we did the doors, we did the trunk lid, we did the cowl, and I think a few other smaller parts in order to be able to take the time while we had it and get them stripped, get them primed for paint, and they could just be sitting there and not have to worry about doing that later down the road. Well, as we're learning, going through each of these steps of taking Clara down to nothing, there has been a lot of corners cut, and I mean a lot.
And I think this is fairly common in restorations and resto mods itself. If you want to do it right, the further down the rabbit hole you go, the more flaws you find.
And unfortunately, there were a lot of flaws on this. And the good thing, well, I won't say the good thing, the cool thing is that you could not even tell until it was stripped.
This is true.
The doors looked amazing when they were on the car, so whoever did the body work, kudos for the body work, but I'd like to have some nice, good words at a minimum with you for why you cut the corners that you did, because damn, ultimately, as Dana had mentioned, it would have taken them more time labor-wise to fix some of these areas than it would to actually just buy new doors. 2 new doors, which we'll show from CJ Pony Parts, right now cost us just over $700, and that would have not even covered 1 day of labor and metalwork to fix these doors. So, let's show you the surprises that we had. All right, door number 1. Yeah, what is up with that?
Pretty interesting patchwork. But wait, there's more.
Oh, there's definitely more. Here is the other corner. Damn, look at that ugly ass welding. But at least they made an attempt to weld all sides of that piece compared to this banjo panel right here. Now, then we have the Swiss cheese. This area would have taken up the larger part of the labor work on just shaping the metal and cutting it all out. All right, now evidence piece number 2. We just have one small piece, but this goes all the way the length of the damn door. So it literally didn't weld at all.
Section number 2.
So we have this full corner right here that's just toast. There you can see the actual welding that they folded over that one little strip of metal and tack welded it in. And they did that all the way down, partially, but must have bondoed the hell out of the rest of it.
But wait, there's more. When you look at the top.
Yeah, look at this. What is this shit right here?
And it goes on the inside too.
I mean, it's just terrible.
All along where that window comes in and out.
So all of that is no good. And it's too far in there to even deal with.
When you look inside of this hole, you can actually see why they welded that sheet in there.
Yeah, it's pretty bad in there. Pretty bad. All right, so out with the old. Let's toss this into the ever-growing pile of scrap from Clara that we have to haul off soon. And let's add a second one to it. So like I mentioned, these set of doors together just over $700, so a really good deal. And when you throw in the free shipping, and then if you're active duty or veteran, you get another discount on top of it. Really tough to beat. Excellent condition, no damage at all.
Already primered.
Yep, already.
Kinda.
Yeah, kind of primered. But this will at least save us a little money. The downside is that it did cost us a couple $100 to strip the doors. So that was kind of a waste, but there's really no way to find out. Either you're going to be paying the money on the stripping or you're going to be paying the money on sandblasting it. And the stripping was definitely the quickest route to go. Now, fingers crossed, the body of Clara does not have as much fingers, eyes, toes,
yeah.
everything.
Throwing gang signs trying to cross all the fingers.
We at least hope that the body comes up out of the tank as still a body. Not that it just disappears.
Golly.
All right, well, on that note, we hope you enjoyed the update on Clara. I know we've gotten some questions from some folks about it. So this will at least let you know kind of where we are. There's a couple of more parts videos that we're going to show on the differences on some parts that we picked up for it. But outside of that, Clara is just going to be resting for a little while until we can get her in.
And this is some of the nature of doing the restomod and not doing all of the work, just us two, and trusting the professionals. The professionals are busy, and they're busy for a reason, because they're really good at what they do.
Yeah. On that note, let's go ahead and close it up for this week. Thanks again for joining us. We really appreciate it. Until next week's episode, stay safe, take care. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.